In OET writing, it's a common situation when the person whom we are writing to, they already know the patient. So imagine it's like you have some close friend who lives in America. So it's like when they already know everything related to us. But when we call, and since few days only she got separated from us, she lives separately or in any different area. So when we call, what we won't be telling everything what all happened when we were together, but we are going to tell what happened latest. Only the latest information will be shared. So that's how here also in the noun case, the patient. So someone already know the patient, so we don't have to explain everything from the past, only we have to explain what is the latest updation. So how we can know whether we know the patient, it's a noun case or not. So first of all, in the writing task, I will show you the writing task now. Okay, suppose this is the writing task. In that they will be, okay, in the writing task they will be mentioning like, see, it's like write a discharge letter to Robert Smithson's GP. It's Smithson's GP. So the already the GP know this person, but Robert Smithson. Otherwise they will be write a letter to his or her GP. In that case you can understand that this is a noun case. Okay. Sometimes instead of this, if they are writing something like any or local GP, here they are mentioning not anything particular to any GP or any local GP. In that case it's an unknown case. Now I am not going to discuss that, only known case will be discussed, which is common. It's not necessary it's GP, it could be someone else also. Okay. Once again let me explain. Noun case, write a letter to, it's not write any letter to any local or any GP, or otherwise who write a letter to the patient's GP or to his or her GP. That's the noun case. That's in short. Now comes next question. What all to include, what all we have to avoid. So these are the list where some points I have mentioned in bullet, were what we are supposed to include and what we are supposed not to include. So let me explain this. We have to explain any emergency situation. So it could be any burn, any recent accident. So we will be explaining that. Nursing management will be important. What happened after post-operative phase. Okay, and current condition. So everything updated information only we want. Request or recommendation, anything we have to request or recommendation. Then post discharge care, whatever written in the discharge plan. So how to remember in a better way. So I have given you a list what all to include. So it might be difficult, only in short you have to remember what all to avoid. It saves your time. You shouldn't include medical history and social background. Medical history means already the patient, already the GP knows the patient, that's the reason. Social background also already they know, that's the reason. Now comes expressions which use. So one is as you know, as you are probably aware. So if you want you can use these expressions, no problem with that. But I personally feel that it could be more useful in case if you are using for speaking. So as you know is a common phrase which people or students often use. They don't have problem with that. But when you know, when you are struggling to find a word, at that time what happen? You have a tendency to say this as you know. So better than that you can say also learn one more phrase like that, as you are probably aware. So this is two phrases which you could use in the speaking section. You can use in the writing section also, no problem with that, it's totally up to you. Now comes parent or carer. Sometimes other noun cases are nurse to a parent, school nurse to a parent. So whenever it's a new nurse to writing to parent, in that case it's considered as a noun case. So here also explain the same thing only. What are the recent update, any later complaints, any future appointments, any recommendations, same thing in a different way it's mentioned, same only. Better only remember one thing, two things, avoid medical history and social background rather than getting tense or anxious regarding that. Now, okay, there are several ways to write this. So here it is, okay, I am writing to update any patient's name, Ron's current health status. I am writing to update, okay, one way. So why we are updating? Because it's already known. So it's like past everything we know. So we are just trying to update only the information. That's the reason. I am writing to update you about current health status of any person. Now I am writing in regard to, this also you can read. I think these two will be better, this one and these two. Otherwise I will show you one more way. See, instead of update and all, everything whatever you already write, your patient name was recently hospitalized. So directly they started just by writing your patient and the name has been mentioned. So this is the several ways which you can update the information for a noun case. So now I will be taking a question and I will be discussing the further details with you. So we can learn the questions together. Okay, here it's written, you are a ward nurse. You can read, or you can also pause the video and watch, because otherwise it will be a time waste. See, here also. This is the next page. You can either pause the video or you can take screenshot and read. Pausing video will be better. Next come medications. Then comes discharge plan. Then the writing task. So I will start reading all these things. You are a ward nurse. Okay, you are a ward nurse, Burns unit, Robert Smithson, admitted to your unit from the emergency department after being in a house fire. Reason also has been given. It's a house fire case. Now directly we will be going and reading the writing task. It's a discharge letter to Robert Smithson, GP. So it's a known case. Apostrophe S will be there. And the address has been given. It's like second name has been given. The first name has been not given. You can take the second name. Address has been given over here. And 180 to 200 words. So now we will again go and read. So we know that this is a burn case. So you can start reading from here the discharge plan, just like the usual letter if you want. Otherwise in any order you can read, no problem with that. So it's mentioned in the discharge plan, wound cleansing, topical dressing. So it's like they have mentioned several names over here in the bracket. It could be GP, community nurse, or Burns, or at Burns outpatient. So bracket. So this is something unique. GP, community nurse, Burns outpatient. So three names has been given. How we can change that to a sentence? You can think. Daily auscultation by GP or community nurse. So either this one GP or community nurse, someone has to do auscultation. Patient given instruction on how to. So here it is like patient given instruction. Already the instruction, you can read this once. So here what they are mentioning is that patient instruction is already given from the hospital. So intentionally they have given over here. So what you can do is that you can take this portion up to here and you can mention what happened during hospitalization or what all instruction given in a different paragraph rather than combining with the discharge plan. So in the discharge plan you can mention these 2 points and these points. Okay. So because only the reason is patient given instructions, that's the only reason. I will show you something. Okay, there is a confusion usually arises. Which discharge date here? It's like pending consultant's report. So what they have taken, given 2 days, one day is 10, and over here in this question assessment, and though they given a different date 9. So there is a confusion usually arise. There could be a confusion usually arise because of different discharge date. One is 10 and one is 9. So if I started giving explanation, it could be lengthy, but it's like you can take the 10th date itself, because your word count be just starting after dear the person name. So before that, so it's like even if you write 10th or also, even if you write 9th also, no problem with that. So in the sample they have clearly mentioned that how to clear that confusion. They just included that pending consultant's report rather than worrying about which date I should give for the discharge date. Because if you are worrying or if you are getting anxious, nervous about which date you have to choose, your focus will be changing and you will be more focused on the date rather than the point. So you don't have to pay more attention to that. Just write the 10th itself, otherwise 9th, because the reason is that they have given two explanations for that, so it's going to be complicated. So in the sample which was given, it is 10th itself, so no worries regarding that. So now let's read. So when we moving down, in the non case we have read what to avoid, medical history and social background we have to avoid. So this is the medical history, just avoid it, give a strike over here. Okay, and the social history, social background, this is the social history, just strike over here. Now we will be reading the remaining thing. RE, it's a fire case. Robert Smithson single. So admission date has been given. Diagnosis is important. So diagnosis is important. Partial thickness burns on this. Why they have used on over here? On neck and chest. It's a body part. That's why on preposition have been used. Respiratory distress. Okay. Now partial thickness burns on, again medical background. Since social medical history we are avoiding, but we are considering medical background because it's related to this problem only, burns. The same thing they have repeated twice, so no problem with that. Same meaning, only some soot in oral cavity, just that thing they have mentioned extra over here. Now we can read the remaining also. Okay. This is the nursing management and progress. So for better to read better, I just adjust, let me adjust this page for you. Okay, that's it. See, you can take time or pause the video and watch. Irrigation with running cool tap water is important. Okay, see, whatever is written in the normal range you just can avoid. See, this is normal range and they are saying intubation is unnecessary, so avoid it. Normal range, avoid it. And none present, avoid it. So little you have to take from over here, you don't have to worry regarding that. Now comes the medication. So several medicine name has been given. Common mistake, spelling mistake. If you are you have to copy the exact spelling. Now assessment, just make it a part. Breathing normally, so no need to mention, no infection, no problem, blood is normal. Why we have to worry regarding that? So I even explain you this question itself. Now we will see the answer. Here the first name they haven't given because in the question itself they have given only the second name. And date, any date. Okay, 10 we have chosen over here. And RE, any age also, if you want you can give dear. We are starting directly itself. Your patient, you can also write, I am writing to update information regarding your patient Robert Smithson, or your patient, Robert Smithson son was recently hospitalized at our burns unit. He will be discharged tomorrow. The discharge has been mentioned and it is a discharge letter. See, that bracket which could make you confused, they just mention is like pending the consultant's report. Rather than you don't have to get confused over the pending the consultant's report. This is the right answer rather than going for the ninth answer, because they intentionally did that to make you confused. That's it. Pending the consult reports, they just joined that with the answer. Here I am mentioning. So they took this date and pending consultants reports has been mentioned like that. And your monitoring of his condition would be greatly appreciated. So you already know would be greatly appreciated. So pending the consultant, they just wrote like that. And your monitoring, just they wrote, and your monitoring of his condition will be greatly appreciated. And in the second paragraph, they mention why the patient has been admitted. Presented with partial thickness burns to 80% of his body. On his body, they have changed to his body. See, on 18%, they changed to of his body. Okay, to his body, to 18%, burns to 18% of his body. So you have to understand that there could be several burn case. Let it be any reason, burn case will be same. Suppose if you have to write percentage to 18% or any percentage you can give. Mostly, see, mostly they have used mostly chest and neck. In the bracket they have just give chest and neck. So one extra vocabulary that they have added is mostly chest and neck and respiratory distress. Reason how they mention, following a fire at his home. At his home. Okay. He was closely monitored for all of which were absent. If you want, you can just avoid this because everything, all of which were absent. So it's, if you want, you can avoid because there will be definitely relevant important points will be definitely there. He was closely monitored for missing all those points. Then it was Robert Smithson. From there we started with Smithson like that. See, apostrophe S we have used. Mr. Smithson burns are healing. So it's like AR, are healing well and there is no infection. So it's healing well, are healing well and there is no infection. This no infection they have taken and there is no infection. Mr. Smithson has been advised, see the usage of has been advised to apply. Now it's coming the discharge plan, that area. See, discharge plan. Has been advised to apply a high factor sunscreen when he is out. And to moisturize and massage the affected area. He should follow a light high protein diet and maintain a high fluid intake. Let's read this once again. it's like apply high factor sunscreen when he is out. Moisturize and massage area to reduce dryness. And to apply moisturize, and to moisturize and massage the affected area. Massage the affected area. So it's like area between that, massage the affected area to reduce dryness. To deep breathing exercise, lung expansion, drainage secretions. Then they have mentioned also he should follow a light, high protein and maintain a high fluid intake. It is essential for him to perform deep breathing exercise for lung expansion and to allow perform. I told exercise always, for with exercise you have to use perform deep breathing exercises. It's ES should be the exercises for lung expansion. Why? For lung expansion, reason is for lung expansion and to allow secretions to drain. Okay, see, it's like not compulsory, but they have that bullet point. They all started with 2 and 2. See that instruction, the 2 preposition has been used. For, which is used for why? For has been used for explaining the reason. Now he is due for a follow-up evaluation. This gap hyphen follow-up evaluation at our unit on date. It would be appreciated if you see, if you or the community nurse could see Smithson daily or regularly to check his breathing and monitor his compliance in these recommendations until then. Until then. Okay. So here it is GP community nurse. How they changed GP or community nurse? It is like this. If you or the community nurse, so they just used if you. So suppose why I am stressing over here is that when you are writing at that time, you might get shocked because several names has been written in the bracket. There are several ways which is the how you can expand that bracket. It could be if you or the community nurse could see. Can see, no, it's could see Mr. Smithson daily or regularly to check up. They haven't written up. They haven't written that to check his breathing and monitor his compliance in this recommendation until then. Till then. Okay, until then. So like that, and any common sentence, yours sincerely. So this is one burn case, but there are several other burn case also. So I will be also discussing you with that. So I have combined 2 more cases. Suppose if you have additional burn case when you are practicing, and if you have doubt, you can send me that question paper to me. I will be helping you on that. If it could be something additional. So this is I thought of combining burn cases together. So this is the first burn case, and then there are 2 more cases coming up. So if it's already CDs are available, you can watch like that 1, 2, 3 like that, so on. So this is all about the burn case. This is one of the sample answers also I have explained over here. Thank you. Keep watching.